afternoon, children. Today morning we studied about the unitary method. In that time, after completing that module, I think module 5, you told me please repeat afternoon integers, some confusion is there. So let me revise and your cooperation leader tell me what is the date. No, tell me what is the doubt. Okay, then okay. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, no confusion. Division, no confusion. Because multiplication and division, same laws, I think so, right? Same laws. Okay, fine. So starting addition. You want to addition, right? Okay, listen here. Don't worry. I will revise again. You can revise the module also 1 and 2. So name this sys module. Okay. Now, integers. There's no confusion. Integers minus 8 is an integer. 7 is an integer. Minus 100 is another integer. 0 is an integer. 101 is integer going on. There is no lower, there is no highest integer. I am not talking about negative number. We can say the group of the set of negative numbers and whole numbers. Negative numbers and whole numbers. That is integers. There is no lowest integer, there is no highest integer. I am repeating the same thing. Another one comparison, minus 7 is greater than minus 10. Minus 7 is greater than minus 10. Because here we can see minus 4, minus 3. I'm talking on number line. Number line, you can see that. This is minus 4, suppose dash, 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 minus 3. Then minus 2, minus 1, and 0, 1, 2, like that is going on. This is 1, and this is 2, like that going on. Are you following or not? Yes, you study this one, sir. We study, 1, 2, 3, like that is going. Both the side open, both. Starting, there is no starting, there is no ending. We cannot say which is the lowest, smallest integer. We cannot say which is the highest integer. After that, we study number, name, everything is there. You can represent on a number, name, number, line. Here, numbers are integers, we can see. You have to visualize the number line always whenever you are doing math. Here, integers, especially addition, like that, the integers. Now, what I am telling here, we can see 0, up to 0, minus, decimal place is there, that is not an integer. Minus 0.9 is there, minus 0.8 is there, minus 0.99 is there. Minus 1, between minus 1 and 0, there is no integer. Between minus 1 and 1, there is one integer only, that is 0. I don't want any confusion. But how many fractions are there between minus 1 and 0? All of you write the answer. How many fractions are between 0 and 1? Between minus 1 and 0, there is no integers. I am talking about how many fractions are there. Okay, fine. 0 and 1, many fractions are there. 0 and 1, many fractions are there. 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 3 by 4. Many things are there. That is not integers. That is fractions. Fraction means decimals also same thing. Denominator is 10, 100, 1000, like that it is coming. But my question is, tell me, you studied fraction. How many fractions are between minus 1 and 0? Yes, very good. No fraction is there. Because fraction means part by whole. If you are cutting anything, if you are cutting the, what I can say, if you are cutting the cake, Or you can see pizza also cutting like that only. If you are cutting a cake, there will be something more than 0. 0, it is not a fraction, it is a whole number, it is an integer. That is why between -1 and 1, there is only one integer. But between -1 and 0, no fraction. But between 0 and 1, many, infinitively many fractions are there. Now my question is between 1 and 0. Between 1 and 0, yes, sir. No fraction. That's exactly correct. Between -1 and 0, there are no fractions. Because fraction will not be negative, fraction will not be 0. 0 is the boundary for the fraction. Fraction will not come. Your boundary is 0. Fraction, you cannot enter into the negative side. Suppose you are cutting a galaxy chocolate. If you are cutting that 4 pieces, one piece you eat 1 by 4, again 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, full chocolate don't eat. Then you are offending your friend. What happened? Where is the fact? Where is my part? No. -1 by 4. No, 0, no. You are not a fraction. Today's our classroom is fraction family. Fractions. You study fraction. That means who is that? Half. You can enter in the classroom. 1 by 4 you can enter in the classroom. 7 by 8. Yes, you are welcome to the classroom. But 8 by 8. No, you are not a fraction. You are 1. You are not a fraction. You are outside the classroom. Okay, I am going outside. He is looking there 1 by 8. Yes, you can see it. You are a fraction. It's fraction classroom. Okay, fine. -1 by 8. No, you are not allowed. Class prefect is telling leader. No. You are not allowed. You cannot come to the classroom. No. -1 by 4. He is asking. Okay, what is the problem? Sir, 1 by 4 is sitting here. I am -1 by 4. Can I? No, you cannot. Because 1 by 4 is a fraction. 1 by 8 is a fraction. But -1 by 4 -1 by 8 -3 by 100 or 7 by 1000 or 15 by 20, 21, not a fraction. No, 15 by 21 a fraction. -15 by, no, you are not a fraction. 0 not a fraction, 1 is not a fraction. 8 by 8, that is 1 full chocolate. No, it is not a fraction, that is full only. That is not fraction. Now what I am telling, -1 and 0, there are no fraction, but rational numbers are the ration. I will introduce another one, rational number. Rational numbers. Rational number is another module. It is the basic rational number. You can see that. Rational number module is the right module 7, 8, something like that. That's basic. This is for class 7 only. Here also 6 modules we completed. This is the 6th module. Now, between my dear children, between -1 and 0, there are no fraction, but many rational numbers are there. But between -1 and 1, there is one integer that is 0, and many fractions are there after 0. Here many fractions, here nothing, no fraction. Understand clearly. These are questions are coming from, multiple choice are the very intelligent questions are there, even though 1 mark. Anyway, that is very interesting, correct? Fraction, we told many times addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Like that now we are doing what I can say here, we are doing this one. That means integers revision again. Now, please, addition of integers, add. Addition, add. Okay, fine. 3 plus -7. There is no confusion. Find the difference and put the sign of the big number. Sir, 3 is the big number. Yes, 3 is the big number. Minus is always less than the positive number. I have 3 rupees. But she's telling I have -7. No, you don't have. You need, you are borrowing. You want to borrow. That is the meaning of -7. What is 3 plus 7? 3 plus 7 is 10. But what is the absolute value of 7? That means I told you math is one strong room. That is minus 7 you will be plus. Absolute value of 7 is 7 only. Absolute value of minus x, that is x only. Absolute value of y, that is y only. There is no sign, that means positive. My children, remember 100 means I have 100 reals, that means plus. Minus 75 or 175, yes, no, I don't have. 0, no mistake, no problem, you can sleep well. In the module I told that. But minus 175, you cannot sleep. Because he will ask, night, bring tomorrow 175 reals. Or 175 rupees, sorry. So, that is minus. I don't like minus. Minus is dangerous always. Now anyway, what I am telling, 3 plus minus 7. Now tell me, my children, what is this absolute value? Everything I told you, which is the absolute value of 7, like the gym or exercise, you can see strong room is the, that means, what is that? Temperature will be 40 something like that. Steam bath, like that one room is there here, you will be very strong. Minus 7, I am 7 now, I am strong. Minus 100, I am 100. Minus x, I am x. 50, you are always strong. 50, 50 only. 25, 25 only. But minus 25 came in the strong room, so it will be strong after the steam bath. 25. So 3 plus minus 7. Find the difference. That means 7 minus 3, 4. And put the sign of the big number. That is minus 4. Whenever minus is there, that means not more than one term put minus is there. Minus is dangerous, that is why. Now listen here, 3 plus minus 7 is minus 4. Any confusion? Now tell me what is minus 17 plus, put the sign, put the bracket, minus 17 plus 3 or 13. Please, Aisha, tell me what is the answer. 17 plus 13, 10, 20, 30. No, that is wrong answer. 30, it is wrong. How it is 30? Other boy, anybody please tell me. What is the answer of this one? That is wrong. Plus is there, but you have to find the difference and put the sign of the big number. What is the difference of 17 and 13? 17 and 13. It is simple only. 17 minus 13. That means 4. What is the sign of the big number? Absolute value. Minus 17. Minus 4. Yes. 13 plus 17 minus 4. Sir, what is this? You are talking addition means more, no, always no. Up to 5, I can say addition is more, more, more. Subtraction is less, less, less. But class 6 always, whenever we are coming, we are facing new chapter, that means new guests, new friends. Addition is always not more, more. Here you see, what is minus 17 plus 13? That means find the difference minus 4. Like the fraction also we studied. I will come to that. Now minus 17 plus 13 is minus 4. Am I right? Okay. 23, 22 plus minus 12. Tell me the answer. 22 plus minus 12. Yes. Difference of 22 and 12. Don't add 44 or 34. Is a difference of 22 and minus 12. That means 22 and 12. You have to do 22 minus 12. That is very easy. 10. But the sign is not minus, plus. Sir, why here minus? Yes, here minus 17. 17 is the bigger number. Here 22 is the bigger number. The sign of the bigger number is minus, minus 4. Here the sign of the big number is plus. We are not writing plus, no need of writing plus. That is why 10. I think you understood this one. All of you write this one. to add two numbers of different sign. Find the difference and put the sign of the greater number or bigger number. Remember absolute value what I told. It is clear. Clear, any confusion? I will not repeat this one anymore. No. After I know term PT1 is near you, I know. PT1 term or term PT1 over, no, right? That is why we are revising this one. Revisiting. You got nice mark, I know. But fundamentally you are making mistake. I don't want any confusion. Now here what I am telling. Here addition, no confusion, right? Change the sign and add. 3 plus minus 7. That is subtraction I am talking about now. For that addition means not subtraction. Find the difference and put the sign of the big number. Addition, subtraction, sorry, and difference are different. Subtraction means always not different. Up to class 5, we study big number minus small number. Yes, but that is find the difference. Subtract means not big number minus small number. Who told you? No. Up to 4, it is okay. Up to 5, okay, I can understand. But class 6 integers came. Subtraction means taking away. That means we can do small number minus big number. That is why find the difference of 8 and 10. What is difference of 8 and 10? That is exactly 10 minus a, that is 2. But be careful. Subtract 10 from a. Tell me the answer. All of you, please do this one. Subtract 10 from 8. It is not 10 minus 8. Subtract 10 from 8. I am not talking about find the difference. First question is find the difference of 8 and 10 or 10 and 8. Both are same. But now subtract 10 from 8. Take pen from the pocket. Many times I told you, see my pocket? I am taking pen from the pocket. Pocket minus pen. Remember that. From the pocket. You cannot take pocket from the pen. Can I take pocket from this pen? No, you cannot take. That module we did. So remember that pocket minus pen. Abdullah sir told this example 3 times now, 5 times. Take away pen from the pocket. That means subtract pen from the pocket. Pen, no, pocket minus pen. Who told pen minus pocket? Okay, fine. Give me a pocket from your pen. Or give me 5 real from your, okay, from your pocket you can give. Or from your wallet, no problem. That means pocket minus. Okay, 10 real you have, right? Give me a pocket from that. Can you possible? Or give me a value, something like that? Not possible. Real minus pocket, not possible. Pocket minus, I can give you, or pen, I can give you, no problem. How much you want, sir, pocket. Now subtract 10 from 8. Aha, yes, we got. Who wrote 10 minus 8? What is this? 2 is the answer. 10 minus 8 is 2, but the second question, 8 minus 10. What is 8 minus 10? Here I am talking about subtraction. Subtraction of integers. That means what you observe here. To subtract a big number from small number, 8 minus 10, or 3 minus 5, or 7 minus 17. What to do? That is why I told that time you did. Okay, easy, sir, no problem. So, change the sign of the subtrahend and add. Addition we studied. Now listen here, be careful here. 8 minus 10. Yes. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Change the sign of the subtrahend. This is the subtrahend. Here the subtrahend is 10. Don't say minus. And this operation is minus. My sign, I gave you subtract. Take away. What is the sign of 10? It is plus. So change the sign of the subtrahend. But don't touch 8. Don't touch this boy. He is dangerous. He came first. Don't disturb him. Now 8. Yes, sir, 8. Change the sign. Sign is minus, change into plus. So yes, 8 plus. Oh good. Minus is plus. But change the sign of the subtrahend. Minus 10. Funny, no? Interesting. That is why math is interesting. Don't confuse. Here is the confusion. I know. Here is your confusion. What you have to understand what is subtrahend. Change the sign of the subtrahend and add. See, this is addition. Operation sign. Here sign is plus, 8 sign is plus, here sign is plus, but here what you can see here minus. Certainly, why are you making that minus? I don't like. You told me you don't like minus. Yes, it is the method. Instead of subtraction, you can add, change the sign and add. 8 plus minus 10. Yes, sir, we know that 10 minus 8, 2, and put the sign of the big number, that is minus 2. It is very clear. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Understood? Now listen here. Tell me, third page. What is 3 minus 5 or 3 minus 15? What is 2 minus 10? What is 100 minus 250? We can do very fast this one. 3 plus minus 5 minus 15. That is 12 minus 12. Am I right or not? 3 plus minus 15 minus 12. Now others, please do fast this one. Do fast. Please. And show me the answer. Do fast. All are doing, I think so. Yes, I can write now. This is 2 plus minus 10. That is minus 8. 2 minus 10 is 8. Or you can see Mendel. 10 minus 2, 8. Give the minus sign for the 8. Over. 100 minus 250. Difference is 150, you know. This is a minus. Give this boy minus 150. Your work is over. Everything we can do. What is 0 minus 25? Minus 25. What is 0 minus 13? Minus 30. You have to practice this one. Minus 30. 0 minus 13. Minus 30. What is 1 minus 9? Tell me what is 1 minus 9? That is, sir, 1 plus minus 9. That is minus 8. Please write this one. Page number 3. Then only I can go to the word problem. I don't want any confusion. Addition. Addition means what you have to do. Find the difference and put the sign of the big number. When? What, sir, you are talking about 5 plus 4? You are talking about 5 that change the sign? No, I am not talking about this one. Here, plus, plus, you know the addition. There is no confusion. When two numbers are different sign, all of you write it. When two numbers are different sign, write it again. No problem. Note 1. When that means for addition, to add two numbers, okay, sorry, right, that is better. When two numbers are different sign means to add, make it short. To add two numbers of different sign. I am not talking about same sign we studied. Class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5, there is no confusion. Mental maths you can do. But here integers, what happened? Different sign came. That means plus and minus. In the world, there are only two signs. One is plus and other is minus. Two signs. Now, to add two numbers or different signs, suppose minus 23 plus 15. What to do? Find the difference and put the sign of the big number. You can see 23 minus 15 or 15 plus 5, 20 and 3, that means 8. But the sign is minus. Minus came from here. Minus big number which have absolute value greater. Okay. 75 plus minus 55. You can do 75 minus 55. The difference, that is, what is the difference? 55, 75. I think 20 is the difference. 55, 65, 75. What is the sign of the big number? Minus? No. 75. The answer is plus 2. Don't think that minus is smaller. Yes, minus is smaller. But I am talking about the absolute value of the number. Minus 55. Strong room. Remember that. Strong room. Or bathroom, that means steam bath. 55. So, what is the sign of the big number? 75. Well, here no need because minus is always smaller than this one plus. But 55 you have to do. Don't think like that. Understand? So the sign is minus 75. Here minus 23. Don't think minus is always smaller. I know. But absolute value of minus 23 is 23 and 15. So find the difference. That is 8. Put the value of minus. Any confusion? So to add two numbers of different sign, change the sign. What to do? To add two numbers of different sign, find the difference and put the sign of the big number. Different sign. Follow me, right? Find the difference. Find the difference and put the sign of the big number. Again, dictating. To add two numbers of different sign, find the difference and put the sign of the greater number. Now, this is subtraction. We did that subtraction. Note 2. To subtract. What to do? To subtract a big number from a smaller number. Understand? To subtract a greater number or big number, greater number from a smaller number. What to do? Change the sign of the subtrahend. Change the sign of the subtrahend. Subtrahend and this is important. Note 2. To subtract a greater number from a smaller number, change the sign of the subtrahend and add. Example. Yes, sir, 7 minus 12. Yes, sir, how? 7 real is there. How can I give it 12 reals? Yes, you have to borrow. That means that is problem for you. You do one thing, change the subtrahend, sign of the subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? 12. I did before. That means here it is plus 12. Here minus is my operation. Now 7 minus. I am changing this plus. Minus I am changing into plus. And this plus will be minus. You have the subtrahend. Finish. 7 plus minus 12. That before we studied first module, first page you studied. To add two numbers of different sign, find the difference. 12 and 7 far and put the sign of the big number. Over to subtract a bigger number from smaller number. To subtract a smaller number, to subtract a greater number from smaller number, change the sign. of the subtrahend and add. All of you please note this one. I told you, you studied small number minus big number, class 3. 5 minus 3, you know that is 2. And 10 minus 17, that is, no, 17 minus 10, that is 7. But now we are asking 10 minus 17. That means 10 plus minus 17, that is minus 7. Are you following or not? To subtract a big number from a smaller number, 17 is bigger, and 10 minus 17, minus 7. Okay, fine. Any confusion? So, actually today's concept is word problem. What I told you, statement sum or story sum, doesn't matter. Now, first one. Now, you tell me some story sum. Okay. Subtract. Listen carefully. 125 from the easy question again. From the sum of minus 200 and minus 250. Be careful. Subtract 125 from the sum of minus 250. Not easy. You have to understand first what is the statement sum. Read 2 times, twice, all of you. Subtract 125 from the sum of minus 250. So first you have to find out the sum of this one. See, sum of minus 280 and 50. Sum of minus 250. Put the bracket. That we know. Difference sign, find the difference. What is the difference of 250, sir? That is 150. What is the sign of big number? Minus 150. So, you got this one, sum. That means this is the first one. From the sum of minus 250. Yes, correct. That is 150. And subtract 125. Second step, subtract 125 from 1. From 1. This is 1. From 1 subtract, I put the big number, big. From 1. That means minus 150. Be careful, minus 150. Then subtract again. My question is subtract. Sum is over. Sum. Addition is over. Now subtract. Can you see subtract? Yes, sir, subtract. So 125, subtract it. Okay, fine. Now minus 150. Don't touch the boy. He came first. It's dangerous. Plus, I change. And the sign of 125. That was plus. I change into minus. Dangerous 125. Now see the answer. Minus 150 plus minus 125. You lost 150 rupees yesterday, and today morning you lost 125 rupees. So how much you lost? 150, that means 275. In your pocket 275 is there? No, you lost it. Mother is very angry. Sometimes she will beat you. Don't be careless. So, but it is not 275. 150 you lost, 125 you lost. In your pocket 250, 275, then no. That is why it is minus. What is the sign? Both are minus. Minus is there, so 275, minus 275. That means if both the signs are same, put the sign, add it and put the sign. Are you following on? So, all of you please write this one. Tomorrow you have to write your own example, small, like that. Now listen here. Next page. That means, I think, third page or fourth page, something like that. Next example. A simple example. Example 2. Simple one. You know that addition doesn't matter. Subtraction also no problem for you. Suppose I am talking you a living example. One boy, okay, Ahmad, he gave me 12 riyals. And, okay, Fatima, okay, 18 riyals. The sum of the money Ahmad and Fatima gave. So, I send one other boy, please bring this money, not full. Buy chocolate. What you want? What? Buy ice cream. Please buy ice cream. Okay, ice cream like this. Oh, what you want? Mango? Oh, okay. Mango bar. Okay, no problem. Doesn't matter. Now, buy mango bar 4. It is not possible. Okay, it is real. No problem. No problem. Doesn't matter. 18. Maybe 1 or 2 real you will get a mango bar. 1 real, I think so. Anyway, buy mango bar for 17 riyals. Ahmad gave me 12 and Fatima gave me 18 because we are celebrating, because they got full mark. Find the difference. How much is there in your pocket? That is a question. Ahmad gave 12. The sum of the money Ahmad and Fatima gave. And subtract 70 from the sum of the money Ahmad and Fatima gave. It is very easy. You have to add this one, plus you have to do. That means this is 30. And we can do 30 minus 7. That is 30. 30 minus 17. 30 minus 17. That means, what is that? 13. No, it's not minus 13. 13 minus 17. 30 minus 17. 13. This is a teen word. This is not team word. You know the team words? 13, 14, 15. If you are touching the boy, sound 15, 13 up to 19. 12, no, 13, 14 up to 19. I told you how many digits are there in maths? 10 digits. Okay, correct. I will ask this again, I will ask. Now 13. Here no confusion. Like this question. Subtract one number from the sum of other two numbers. The same question. Yes or no? Subtract 125 from the sum of minus 250. Subtract me, you can subtract. But here minus 280 is there. That is the problem for us, right? Now another question, please. Okay. Second question. Now you want second question. Same page. I think it is the fourth page. Page number 4. Add. Oh. Add minus 300 from the, very good, from the, yes, difference of, from the difference of, mashallah, difficult question you're asking. Not bad, good, because we revise. Add minus 300 from the difference. You have to, minus 300 you have to add from the difference of, or, okay. Oh, good. Minus 125 and 450. Okay, good. Add minus 300 to the difference, not from the difference, to the difference. To the difference of, add minus 300 to the difference of minus 125 and 450. Okay, bracketing. So you can put here square bracket. You know square bracket, you know flower bracket, you know common bracket. I will forget. This is common bracket. Yes, this is the square bracket. Look here. Here we are cutting, we are getting these squares. This will be half. This is the one square. Sorry, I cannot cut this one. Second is, I can say this is square bracket. Like this is the square bracket. Square bracket. This is a square bracket, you can see. And third is curly hair. You know curly hair like this curly bracket or flower bracket. This is a bracket. All of you write that bracket. Three kinds of bracket. I will forget, that is why I'm three kinds of bracket. Three kinds of bracket. Three kinds of bracket. Three kinds of brackets. First is common bracket. This is common everywhere. Second is like a square. I told you, I cut this one here and like this. Square bracket. Square bracket. And third is flower bracket or curly bracket. Which one you want? Flower. Curly hair is there, no curly hair. My hair is not curly. You have curly, Stella. Your hair is curly. Okay, flower bracket. You like flower. Flower bracket. Whenever you are using bracket, always this flower bracket is outside, then inside square bracket, then common bracket. So remind me another day, because my time is only 10 minutes or 8 minutes. Okay, please. This will be, so how can we do this one? 300 minus 300, 125 and 40. From the sum of minus 125, all of you add this one. Minus 125 for plus 450. That means 450 minus 125. That means I think that is 325. 325. 325 plus 100, 425. Okay. 425 plus, okay, 25. 450. Exactly. Difference of 125 and 450. Find the difference and put the sign of the big number is 450. So answer is 325. 450 minus 125. That is 325. Then minus 300. If any confusion is, please tell me. Listen. Minus. What is the question? Tell me. Yes. Minus 125 and 450. You got 325. Then here minus 300. Minus 300 plus 225. No, 325. That means 125 minus 450 minus 125. 450 minus 125. You got 325. 325. 450 minus 125 is only 325. You understood this? I think so. Because minus 125 minus 125 plus 450, that means we can do, find the difference. 450 minus 125, that means 325. The sign is plus 325. There is no confusion. No, clear? Now again, minus 300 and 325. You have to add two sign of the difference sign. Find the difference. 325 minus 300, mashallah, it is great. 25 only. Easy only. The question is easy. That means 25. What is the sign of 25 minus? No, plus. So plus, no need of writing. Answer is 25. It is not hard. So statement sum, we did. Statement sum of addition and subtraction. Many things we can do. I told you example. Aisha gave me, or Aman gave me like that, gave you like that. Then you are going to buy something. Like that only. We can do many questions like this. That is a loss. Or father is telling, a loss is the 200 rupees or 2000 rupees, minus 200. So minus 200 we can do. First add what is total, then do. Understand? Any confusion? Whenever you want to add two numbers of same sign, minus 200 plus minus 300 plus more three numbers, does it matter? 500. Listen here carefully. 200 plus 300, 500, the sign is minus, plus 500, that is 0. Look, the beauty of math. Both are negative. 200 you lost, 300 you lost, mother is beating you. Whether എല്ലാരും ഉപയോഗിക്കണം, that is the problem.